Christmas is in danger, according to Toy Association CEO and President Greg Ahearn. In a report by NBC News, Ahearn said U.S. President Donald Trump's increasing tariffs are disrupting manufacturing in China, where the Toy Association estimated 80% of toys sold in the U.S. are sourced. The warning followed Trump's decision to place 145% tariffs on imports from China. Trump claimed that the final tariff rate on Chinese exports would decrease substantially, but a spokesperson for China's foreign ministry denied any suggestion that the country had engaged in negotiations with the U.S. Ahearn explained that toy production typically increases around this time of year to ensure products are ready for the shopping season. However, in a related sector, Chinese producers of Christmas trees are reporting disruptions. Reuters cited the head of an artificial Christmas tree factory who said none of its American clients had placed orders this year. A separate facility said a critical U.S. buyer paused a $408,000 order and expects it to eventually be canceled. Trump has said one of the goals of his tariffs is to encourage more manufacturing in the U.S. Ahearn said it would be, quote, virtually impossible to replicate China's toy manufacturing in the U.S., explaining that the U.S. cannot compete with China's more experienced and less expensive toy supply chain. American Christmas Tree Association Executive Director Jamie Warner echoed Ahearn's sentiment, saying that artificial Christmas trees, quote, certainly can't be made in the U.S. due to lack of technology and labor market. The Toy Association provided further insight into the effects of tariffs on the industry through a survey that asked more than 400 member companies to assess the potential business impact of the 145% tariffs on Chinese toy imports. The report revealed that 96% of American toy companies are small and medium-sized, and that 45% to 46% predict they may go out of business within weeks or months due to the current tariff policy. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.